Reclaiming your screens is an essential step in the screen printing process. Let's go through the steps of how to do this properly. It's always best to clean off your screens immediately after finishing a print job. First, you'll need to collect any ink left on the screen. You can do this while the screen is still on the press. Once you've gotten most of the ink off, spray the screen with the appropriate cleaner. I used water-based inks for this job, so I'll also use a water-based cleaner. I used a wipe to clean off the screen before taking it to the washout booth. Next, we'll spray both sides with water and apply emulsion remover. It's really important you don't let the emulsion remover dry on the screen. Use a non-abrasive pad, brush, or rag to scrub both sides. Then, rinse it off. Last, we'll need to apply hyperhaze to degrease the screen and remove ghost images. Apply this to both sides, scrub, and let it sit for at least 5 minutes before rinsing it off. You should be left with a clean screen ready for the next print job.